Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will show with you step by step how to open Airwallex account or wallet. Go to Google, search for Airwallex. This is the keyword and then click on the first website. You will see this page. Click on see demo and then click create accounts. So when you click create accounts, click on your email address from here. Click get started. When you write your email address, choose your company here, choose your manage transaction, write your open local bank transfer, click this one for process, and then from here, follow your all details such your business email, legit first name and last name, and your password. After that, click create your accounts. So friends, click create next, write your business name and select your countries, and then click I agree term and conditions. So this is how you can do basically. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this